Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can solve the 0x0000142 error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, or it is the application was unable to start correct the error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you are currently experiencing that error, then we will be fixing that. So just follow the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. First, go to your registry editor, and then we can do that simply by making a search here in the Windows search tab. If you type registry, you will get the registry editor option here and under the best match. So just please click on that. Click on the yes button to proceed. And then here you will get this registry editor window. So I will just be minimizing all the uh, maximized options here. So all we need to do is just to go to the local machine or HK local machine. Once you click on that, you will need to go to the software, double click on that, and then go to Microsoft. So look for Microsoft here and then double click. Now we will look for Windows NT, and we will be looking for Windows NT. Let me just scroll down a little bit. So we have now the Windows NT. Once found, double click on that, and then we will be going to this current version. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the Windows. So scroll down and look for Windows, this one, and then once you're in here, go to the right side, and there you will find the load app INIT. So we have the load app in it. So all you need to do is just to make a click on that. Once you see that this is already selected, make a right click on modify button here, and then we have this edit the word 32-bit value window. All you need to do for the value data is just to set it to 0. So if you see that this is set to 1, please change that to 0, and then once you're done, just click on OK, close this window, and then we will be going to the application that won't start. So please go to that. For example, this is the application that that is unable to start. So just please make a right click on that and then click on the properties button there. You will get this properties window. All you need to do is just to go to the compatibility tab there. So once you're in the compatibility tab, all you need to do is just to go to this run compatibility troubleshooter. Once you click on that, it will start diagnosing and troubleshooting the problem. So it will automatically fix the problem for you. And then once the troubleshooting process is done, all you need to do is just to go back to this window here. Please make sure that the run this program in compatibility mode 4 option is turned on, or this is checked and selected. And once you have done that, proceed with the run this program as an administrator option here below the settings. So please make sure that this is checked. Once you have done this changes here, just click on apply and then click on OK, and then close this window, and then we will be going now to the command prompt. So once you have done that one and you see that the problem is still not fixed, then go to the command prompt window. We can type here in the Windows search tab CMD, and then you will get under best match the command prompt option. So please go to the right section there. You will find run as administrator option. Please make a click on that. Click on yes to proceed, and then here we will get this black window coming up. All we need to do is just to type SFC space. So I'll just type it in lowercase. It's SFC space / scan now. And then once done typing, just please click on enter, and it will start the verification process in your device. So just wait for it to become or to reach to 100%. And then once done with this one, just close this window. By the way, this is the system file checker provided by Microsoft. So once you're done with this one, just close this window and then open again the command prompt. So here in the Windows search tab, you can just type CMD again and then go click again the run as administrator option here. Click on yes, and then this time we need to type CHKD space C colon /F. So space LR. We have 0xc0000142 space C:// space LR. Once you're done with this one, just please click on enter, and then once you're done, just close this one. And the next thing we need to do is to update the graphic card. So we can do that simply by going to the device manager. So please open your device manager. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then look for device manager options here. And then we will go to the sound and video options. So let me just maximize this one. So we have now the sound, video, and game controller. Please make a right click and then choose the main driver or main audio driver that you have there. We have the AMD audio device. So please make a right click on that, and then you will get this properties window coming up. Please go to the driver tab, click on update driver here, and then click this second option, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list, and then here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. So all you need to do is just to select the latest version that you have there, and then click on next, and then it will be installing. And then once it says that the Windows have already updated your device or your driver there, then just click on the close window and make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.